Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our previous video, we learned what is set and how to use them in Python. Now we will see about dictionary. Dictionary is an unordered collection which is changeable and indexed. We can change the value of the dictionary that we already assign, and each value has index values, but the values in the dictionary are unordered. There is no specific order to arrange the values in dictionary. Now let's see what is dictionary and how to use them with some example. Here D1 as variable. The dictionary items is need to be in curly braces, and the items has two things, keys and values. Let me show you. Here, alphabet A is the key and 1 is the value. Creating multiple items. Here we have three keys A, B and C, and each keys have its own value 1, 3. Let's display the value. Here it is. Let's see the type of the D1. Here it says it's belong to the dictionary class. Now, if we need to fetch only the keys in the dictionary like A, B and C, we can use the function called keys. D1 dot keys. It will show only the keys that in the variable D1. But instead of keys, what we can do if we need the values, the same as D1 dot, but here instead of keys, we need to give values. It will show only the values in the dictionary variable. In our previous videos of list and tuple, if we need to fetch a value in a variable, we can use the index number or index value to get a specific value in a variable. Like the same, here we can do by using the get function, but here there is no default index number for the values in the dictionary. Instead of that, the keys that given to a specific value is known as index values. If we need to fetch a value, we can use keys to do it. Like now I need to get a value 3. The index value of 3 is C. Here I get the value of 3. Instead of using the get function, we can directly fetch a value using the keys like D1. Here we need to enter the key. I am giving B. Here it gives the value of 2. And if we need to add an item in the dictionary variable, we can easily do it by simply giving the variable name. In square brackets, we need to enter the key that we are going to specify for the value. Here I am already given A, B, C. Now I am going to give D as the key. And now I am assigning the value 4 to D. Let's print the value. Yes, we have it. Here the item D is added to the dictionary variable. But if we need to change a value in an item that we already given, we can easily do it. Same like giving the variable name. In square brackets, we need to specify the key. Now I am using the key C. Instead of 3, I need to change the value as 6. Giving the value 6. Let's print the value. Yep, the value of C is changed to 6. But what can we do if we need to remove a particular item from a dictionary? Let's try it. D1 dot. Here we need to use the pop function. In list and set, we use the pop function to remove a value which is at the end. But here we can use the pop to remove any value in the dictionary. Now I am trying to remove value B. Here the value of B is 2 is printed. the value of b is gone. But if we need to remove a value which is at the end, we can use the pop item to remove the value. d1 dot pop item. We don't need to give any value in it. Here d4 is the value at the end of the dictionary. Instead of creating the dictionary variables like this, we can create it in different method like d2 equals dict. The value that we are giving in this function will be changed into dictionary items. Let's give some dictionary items. Here we need to return the items in the square brackets. Name is the key and rock coder is the value. We need to specify comma to separate two items. Let's create another item. The owner of the channel is Aki. That's it. Let's try it. It's accepted. Let's try to display the value. Yeah, let's try to find the type of the D2. Yeah, it's the same. So that's it, guys. I hope you all understand well. See you in the next video. Bye.